What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Maha back again with another video. Today we're gonna swap out these taillights. I ordered a new set of LED ones from Japan. It just came a few days ago, so finally the freaking Florida decided to stop raining for like 2 minutes. So I'm gonna try and take advantage, get these lights on. It shouldn't take too long to install these. So I did go with the S2 LED looking ones. So what I've heard, what I've read on the forums, Facebook groups, is that if you do have an S1 OEM S1 chaser, there's a part on the frame that we might have to bang in so it can clear the S2 taillight. So hopefully we don't have to do that, but if I have to do that, I'll show y'all the process of that as well. But I'm already sweating out here, so let's get started. I had to keep your boy going today. I had to pick up a freaking Dragon Burst. Freaking heat out here, man. This is essential for today. But yeah, man, so this is what we got here. It is a D-Max tail light straight from Japan. Pretty quick shipping, not gonna lie. Only took maybe less than a week to get here. So if y'all know Japanese, let me know what it says, but I'm pretty sure it's just like not even instructions, maybe instructions, I don't even know. Probably just warranty stuff. But hop into the tail lights real quick. So right here they could include some nuts and bolts for y'all to use. Damn, this is nice. I'm gonna hold it up to the OEM so I can see the difference. And the sunlight, ooh, yeah, these are nice. So that's a difference there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yep, nope. That sunlight that just came out. Nope, you're not gonna be able to see that. So when I take it off, y'all, I'll show y'all the difference. But all right, so this is gonna be the easiest tail light swap ever. Hope I didn't jinx myself. It's not, but it was literally just two Phillips right here, covered by these little caps. So let's pop them off of the flathead. Pop them off of the flathead. Unscrew them. Tail light's already ready to come out. So once you get these two bolts, all you have to do is literally just put like a flathead or some type of part thing. Don't damage your paint. Do it slowly and carefully, and just pry it out, and it'll pop out like this. So it's got to disconnect the harness and then get the new one. Let me see, and boom, old one is out. Just that one connector there that runs through the body of the car. Disconnect that, pull it right out. Easy, less than 10 minutes. So let's do a little comparison here, old with the new OEM one. This is the S2. S1 has this little stripe going down the middle of the tail light, in the middle, and the S2 is a little bit more simpler. Drop a comment down below what style y'all like. Y'all think I should have kept the S1s, or y'all feeling the S2s? I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling the S2s a little more. Not just because they're S2s, but just the styling of it. Alright, so let's see the fitment of the new ones. And good news, well, at least with my particular car, I didn't have to bang anything in. Fitment is basically OEM. This is the old one here, and we got the new one right here. No big gaps. I'll know when I close the trunk in a little bit, but actually let me do it right now. Oh yeah, no gaps, OEM. There we go. Alright, and I just reused the OEM bolts. They did supply some other weird kind of nut bolt washer thing, but I just reused the OEM ones. They fit back fine, so they clear the whole foot of plastic. I checked the gaps on that side. It's basically around the same gaps that the OEM one has, so fitment is pretty A1 on this. So again, real quick, first thing you want to do is undo these Phillips, two Phillips, pull them out. Come back here. You don't have to take apart this whole thing. You just have to take apart this one corner here, and then bottom here, and then pull this back enough to where you get access to the harness to disconnect down there. And like I said, everything else, it just pops off. So run your little flathead pry tool on the side here, pry it out, and swap the old new ones in. And just a little pro tip, when you do take this off, it's pretty obviously dirty in here. So what I did was just take a little quick detail to clean this up before you put the new one on. Like I said, 2 Phillips right here, and then the little infamous black pieces. The interior a little, where'd it go? Popped off. Flew somewhere. I gotta look for it. Oh, it's right here. So it's like a little Phillips looking one. So you just lefty loosey, so and then it pops right out. Same way you put it back in, right tighty. Disconnect the harness at the bottom here, and then slowly pry it from this side here out, in, clean it up, install your new one back in. Boom. All clean, not perfect, but that's just enough to clean up all that 26-year-old, 27-year-old gunk that's been on there. So actually I I'm gonna hit this spot here too before I put it in. But again, putting new parts in, might as well clean the spot while you got it open up anyway. So keep in mind, it does have this grommet that your OEM one has as well. So when you're pushing it into this hole, make sure you seal that up properly, push it all the way through. It's gonna take a little elbow grease, but just make sure that's sealed properly before you bolt everything back up. All right, y'all, and both taillights are finally on. Like I said, it has a slight smoke tint to it already, so when it gets oh shit, I was walking to the wall. When the sun goes down and I go out to the gym or whatever, it gets dark outside, I'm gonna do a little B-roll so you can see how the LEDs look at night. Hopefully it doesn't do that flickering thing. I'm gonna have to adjust the settings to make sure it doesn't do that flicker. It doesn't flicker in person, but you know, cameras hate LEDs, so yeah, man, let me know what y'all think, if y'all digging the S1 or S2s. I'm really feeling the S2s, man. It looks a little bit more like an aggressive kind of style here. Of course, it's starting to rain here now. I'll tell you, man, Florida. I just finished installing in the nick of time. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna go hit the gym. At least it cooled off. It was cooking out here. I'm not gonna lie, it was cooking. But yeah, I'm gonna let this rain pass through and then hit the gym, do all my house stuff, and hop back in this video so y'all can see how it looks at night.